Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sign out of your account on Indeed. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Indeed.com. Once the page loads, you'll be taken to the Indeed homepage where you can see all your job search activities and saved listings. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile icon sitting there. This icon serves as your account hub, giving you access to all your personal settings and account management options. Go ahead and click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to your account. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see several options including your account settings, saved jobs, and other features. Look for the option that says Sign Out and click on it. This action will immediately log you out of your Indeed account and redirect you to the main page, ensuring your account information remains secure, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. And that's it, you've successfully signed out of your Indeed account. This simple process helps protect your privacy and ensures no one else can access your job applications or personal information when you're not using the platform. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.